Hello everyone, I hope that you all are well. Today we will discuss about migration and I'm addressing this video to all of my class 8 student. This is subject geography and chapter 4. So what is migration? First of all we have to know that what is migration. Migration means when people could not get the fertile land, when people could not get their basic amenities in which place. So people goes to the another place to find all these things. So people migrate for one country to the another country. This is exactly the migration is. So basically migration has different classification, means there are two types of migration, that is the internal migration and the external migration. So whenever we discuss about internal migration we can very easily understand because the word is internal. So when people go from one region to another region but in the one country, so we can say that is a internal migration. But external migration means one country to the another country for the job purpose, for the many reason, like educational availability and lot of things. People changes their country, one country to the another country, so we can say that is the external migration. So we will discuss lot of thing about migrations, the impact of the migration, why migration is important, why people migrate. So first of all we have to know the little bit idea about the migration, impact of the migration and the causes of the migration. So we will discuss all these things one by one by showing a lot of picture that will definitely help you out. So I'm just showing you this picture that will help you out. Here is a picture. Causes of migration. Migration is caused by the number of reasons that is categorized as push and the pull factor. What is a push factor and what is a pull factor? Push factor are the condition of the original place of the living of people. These are the reason of make people move out of a particular geographical region, that is called the push factor. Because what? The people, the original, are the condition of the original place where people get birth and where people exactly live, that is called the original places. And the pull factor, the condition of circumstances, a new place that attract people to settle there. People get much facility, people get fertile lands, people get a lot of urbanization happening there, so people go to this country and this region, so this is called the pull factor. So what is the exact causes of migration? First of all, there is a geographical causes. What is a geographical cause? People migrate because geographical reason, such as unavailability of fertile land and the harsh terrain. Have you heard about the migrate tribes? So why they migrate another from one region to another region? Because they people who once live in the mountainous region and the Ural until they migrate present day Hungary. So they came from the Ural to Hungary just because of many agriculture communities who could not make a living on their own country because of shortage of land and the infertile lands. So whenever we get the shortage of land, whenever we get the infertile land, so we have to go the another region, so people migrate to region where they could find the fertile land. So they go to the another region, they can go the another country. So that is the reason of the geographical causes. After that it comes the economical causes, why people migrate. So employment is one of the most important reason why people migrate to different places within their country or travel over as. Workers also move the another country to earn more, and people move more developed industrial countries, search for jobs and provide higher wages. So lot of people who are really unemployed, so they go to the another country, like Kerala is very important for them, that a lot of unemployed people they get jobs from there. So that is very important. Either people get good facility there, so obviously people will migrate. After that is it came the political causes. Lot of the causes are there, but the political is one of them. Throughout history and even recent year, we have seen people move out their country due to the political unrest or the political presections.